Someone paid $18,000 for this one little penny, and it's the smallest detail that allowed it to sell for this much money. So let's hop right into why it sold for so much money. So first of all, it's important to know that this coin was graded by a third-party company called PCGS at a mint state 66 red. Now I'm going to throw up a quick little diagram here. Essentially, when you get your penny graded, it's either going to get the red, red-brown, or brown designation. Typically speaking, the red coins will bring more money than the brown coins just because of the eye appeal for the collector. They think they look better for the most part. Now don't get me wrong, there are plenty of brown and red-brown coins that sell for a ton of money, so don't let that discourage you. This coin also has a CAC sticker on the label, so after you get your coin graded, if it's a valuable coin, you pretty much always want to send it off to a third-party company called CAC. Essentially what they do is they look at the coin in the holder and verify that the grade is accurate. It seems silly, but this is the reality, and that small little green sticker, or green bean as what some people call it, will increase the value a lot on the coin. So one of the main reasons why this coin sold for $18,000 is because this is a doubled die obverse coin. Now you're going to need magnification on a coin like this simply because the doubling is not as apparent on this coin as it is on some coins. But you're going to want to look at the date at the bottom right, Liberty at the left, and In God We Trust at the top there. Doubling is a mint error that occurs during the minting process. This is a high grade example that has doubling and it looks really nice. It has good eye appeal, and all these things combined allowed it to sell for $18,000. YouTube has a complex algorithm that knows exactly which video you should watch next, and that video is on the screen, so click on that video and I'll see you inside.